label like a legend. Brady M210. The badass handheld printer that laughs at drops and chaos. Let's be real, if your label maker can't survive a 6-foot drop, is it even built for the job site? The Brady M210 portable label printer kit isn't your average cutesy desk toy. It's the rugged, take-no-nonsense beast that industrial pros trust to slap clear, tough-as-nails labels on wires, panels, circuit boards, and chaos itself. This isn't just a label printer, it's an on-the-go identity machine with 203 dpi clarity, lightning-fast thermal transfer technology, and a full A to Z plus 0 to 9 keypad that won't ghost you in low light thanks to a backlit LCD screen. What sets the M210 apart from the wannabes? Let's start with the massive cartridge arsenal. We're talking 90 plus options in 12 different materials, from nylon cloth to heat-shrinking tube labels. You need pre-sized? Done. Continuous tape? Of course. Its 6-point to 40-point font range lets you whisper tiny codes or shout bold warnings, all in single-color precision. No Wi-Fi, no app drama, just standalone, plug-and label perfection. And yes, you can crank out 100 labels a day like a labeling deity without even breaking a sweat. Time to talk real-world power moves. The M210 isn't some fragile, overhyped plastic princess. It's drop-tested, rubber-armored, and ready for battle. Whether you're mid-construction, deep in a data closet, or crawling through a crawlspace, this printer thrives where others cry. That hard-shell carrying case? Think of it as the M210's Batmobile: storage, protection, and flex in one slick package. This thing doesn't just label, it conquers clutter and claims territory. You'll save serious time and money with the M210's smart design. No confusing setup. No wasted labels. Just power it up and start tagging like a boss. With 100 plus built-in symbols, electrical, safety, datacom, take your pick, and USB connectivity, you're future-proofed for whatever your job throws your way. Compared to generic, wimpy printers that jam and break, the Brady M210 is the wise investment that pays for itself in efficiency, durability, and sheer dependability. The Brady M210 is a must-have tool, not a toy. It's affordable, battle-tested, and engineered for real-world use, not Pinterest crafts. If you're still messing around with dime store labelers or apps that crash mid-job, it's time to level up. This kit comes locked and loaded with everything you need. Printer, cartridges, battery, charger, labels, power cord, and the rugged case to carry it all. Want a label printer that works as hard as you do? You just found it.